and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? Yeah, it's just my own hand. I was imagining it was Patrick Swayze. Here comes Mommy.
This is definitely my biggest renovation yet. Am I breaking the whole house?
Be careful. Who the heck is this woman?
I'm Rebekah Higgs, and I renovate homes. I didn't really know what I was doing when I started, and sometimes I still don't.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
But with the help of my trusty crew,
This is the kind of house that's a big puzzle.
Stuff has got done, Rebekah.
my loving and patient family,
You can even do it in a dress.
It's money, right?
I know there's never a dull moment.
What?
When you're a DIY mom. Now that we have Lennon's bedroom done, I can get to work on mine. In this episode, I will also be performing a little surgery on the old utility room, cutting out the furnace and removing the wall to stitch it back together. This will create a whole new bedroom. But before we get distracted by all the cinder block, let's focus on what's really important here, my bedroom. This space used to be, I'm not sure exactly, kind of an indoor-outdoor entertaining area, I guess. We called it the solarium or the jacuzzi room. It was kind of a multi-purpose space, but the plan is to reconfigure it, removing the non-functioning tub and laying down more of this gorgeous wood floor. By updating the space, we will have a bright and spacious principal bedroom with a dreamy walk-in closet. Plus, just look at all the light in here. But first, more demo. I don't know what that weird stove thing is doing in here, but that's not the kind of cooking I want to be doing in my bedroom. It's gotta go. And this too. So this is a jacuzzi, an in-floor jacuzzi, interior one. Don't know if there's any way to, make it into an outdoor hot tub, but I'll probably have to sell it on Kijiji. And hopefully make a little more coin to pay all that extra crew I had to hire today. They're busy creating the guest bedroom, but I can't stand to look at this awful brown tile for one more second.
Just relax, people, okay? Just relax. I'm relaxed.
Now that I'm in such a good mood, let's see how all that extra crew is doing in the guest bedroom. The windows I took out of the master that looked into the sunroom are going to come in handy.
Oh, we could use that window right here, right? Yeah. Perfect. We just have to go through cinder. It's no big deal. Get rid of this door.
The water is out there, the water view.
Yeah, I don't want to have a door here anyway because I imagine when Lennon's a teenager, this is how she'll sneak in and out.
Yes.
So, better have a big window they can crawl through than a door. They can just easily go out. So, this is so not exciting for a teenager to be able to go through a door. They need to go through a window. Look at what the view will be.
Yeah.
Why give the view to my hot water tank?
Now that that cinder block wall is out, I can't believe the furnace took up what amounts to a whole room. There's a lot of spaces in the house where I'm trying to leave the cinder block walls exposed because I think they kind of give a cool accent to the room. The type of paint that you would need to use can be really expensive. So if you have extra drywall compound around the house, you may as well use it up. And I just love using up my renovation materials that are hanging around. The problem with things like cinder block and brick is they're extremely porous. No matter how many coats of paint you put on this, it'll still show these type of holes. An easy solution is to just use your hands and start spreading the drywall compound into the stones. Now this is going to actually fill some of those gaps for me and prime the stones at the same time so I can work the mud into the gaps on the wall and fill those in, and that way when I go to paint this wall, it won't need as many coats and it'll be a lot smoother to finish, and it's kind of relaxing at the same time. So it's a no-brainer task to fill your DIY buckets without any of the stress. But with the furnace gone, how am I gonna keep this huge room warm and cozy? Before I started my renovation, Dave came in and did a home energy assessment.
So Rebekah, they in the 1950s and 60s thought that this would pass for insulation, and of course it doesn't, it's tinfoil.
So after I complete all my renovation updates, I can find out just how many rebates I'll be able to cash in on. I discovered another heating system that is perfect for my open concept bungalow. Getting rid of the oil furnace was not only a great move environmentally and spatially, but it comes with some great incentives. Turns out heat pumps are ideal for our Nova Scotia climate, and they take up way less room and are much better for the environment. Bonus, I can save money on my monthly electric bill and have air conditioning in the summer. It's a no-brainer. Well, the cinder block did come in use somewhere. So this is our update where we're at with the renovation, and there's lots of holes in the floor. The only hole that's been filled is the old jacuzzi hole's been filled. That's what she said. I'm gonna call it the old jacuzzi hole. You can't laugh at your own jokes. At this point, the messiness and stress of having my personal belongings now in the house makes the renovation even more complicated because this room has become a dumping ground for all things Reno related. The tension is building, and if you've ever lived through a renovation, it feels like absolutely everything is up in the air. Do you remember when I finished season 1 and I was like, I'm gonna create a master bedroom closet that allows space for a man to come into my life? And I was supposed to leave this side of the closet empty for the man, for a man to possibly come into my life.
Oh, really?
No more! Do not need to create space for any man in this master bedroom closet. You can print that and take it to the bank or whatever you say. And if I ever get in a situation where a man is asking to live with me again, you can say, I have recorded proof of Rebekah saying she doesn't want to live with anybody anymore other than her daughter. And maybe my parents. P.S. Where are my parents when I need them? We have to keep juggling things around from one room to another to keep the progression going, but with framing and drywall complete, there's just no other option but to tackle the floors. Oh, brother. Taking all the floors back down to the slab of the house seemed like a great idea. But now looking back at it, it caused a lot of headaches because without the subfloor, we were trying to lay the flooring directly on the slab. You can actually lay this product directly on slab, but I had no idea how unlevel the slab was. And the first couple days when I walked on the flooring, I realized there was all these air pockets and we had to tear it up and start again. So it's been a big process of getting the flooring down in the house. It's taken, months to do every room, and we're finally in the last room of the house getting this flooring down. We poured leveler even in this room. There's a couple spots where there is gonna be a ramp or like an awkward transition, but I think the overall effect is still fairly seamless, and it's got that nice one level feeling to the whole house. This is the last little bit of the flooring, and then the flooring headache will be over. Yep, just seeing this incredible floor go down after all the problems is the best cure. No aspirin needed. In keeping with my mid-century modern design, we're also removing all the baseboards and the trim from around the windows for a flush, seamless look. Then we toned down all the dark wood with deluxe gripper paint to reflect all the incredible light streaming in through the windows. But a girl still needs a little privacy, so I'm also installing custom-made blinds. So these are the Roman shades that I had made with the fabric I picked up from Bellissimo, and now all we have to do is hang them. They're gonna be asymmetrical so that they kind of, when they're hung, they hang relaxed-like, so they don't have to be perfect, so I don't stress out about that. It'll probably drive Julie crazy if they're like that. Yeah. It's not Julie's house. Curtains just changed the vibe of this entire space. It's feeling cozy and bedroom-like in here. Back to the guest room, my endy bed is in with a headboard you can rest against to enjoy this view. Can you believe I turned what was once a dusty, dingy old furnace room into this stunning guest suite? But ideally, I'd like to lay my head down on my own pillow, so let's refocus on some finishing touches in my bedroom. This extraordinary beam is from East Coast Specialty Hardwood. It originally came out of an old church, and it really is the answer to my design prayers. And yes, we did put up more wallpaper. I find the wallpaper just adds such a calm and soothing texture to the room. The pendant fixtures from Hudson Valley Lighting will cast a nice warm glow over the bed, perfect for relaxing. I finally get to sleep in my own bed tonight. Ooh, that's comfy. Hi, James.
Hey, how's it going?
And here's the owner's suite. There's no jacuzzi anymore, but I think it really is a relaxing space now.
Amazing, Rebecca. Yeah, I remember the old sunroom with the jacuzzi right here.
And a lot of dark wood and a lot of dark tile.
Yeah, so bright.
Yeah, it's a really bright bedroom space. I think it's a much better use of space in the house because now you get this maximized, like, open concept area of the living space, and we still have 3 bedrooms.
That's right. No, it's key in the space on a slab grade that you want to have that 3 bedrooms, and you get that nice exit out.
Yeah,
here
exactly.
on the deck.
And a huge walk-in closet, which is awesome. Yes, I did get the closet of my dreams. It's real and it's spectacular. I can't wait to enjoy the fruits of my labor. I just want to sink into my bed and just relax. But the work is not over yet, because we still have an ensuite bathroom in the next episode that's gonna blow up Instagram. Now don't touch that dial. More design drama coming right up. Did I just say dial? Okay, Boomer.